सर्जियो रोबर्टो, अनसंग लेजेंड। वो फेमस है अपने ये ला रेमोंतादा वाले गोल के लिए। द गोल ही स्कोर्ड was written into the history books. One of the most emotional goals in the history of Barcelona, the night of La Remontada का last or the winning goal was scored by Sergi Roberto, the man who was our captain. And आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उस ही अनसंग लेजेंड के बारे में। Sergi Roberto was born on 7th of February in 1992, and he was born in a Spanish city, to be specific, in Catalonia, Reyes. And the La Masia and Catalan connection, we all know it. Sergi Roberto joined the La Masia Academy when he was 14, and भाई के पास थे बैचमेट्स लाइक रफीनिया, अपना एमसी स्टैन नहीं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओल्ड रफीनिया. And then he was batchmate with the Lord, the myth himself, Lord Oriol Romeo. He was his batchmate. La Masia days में he was really known by his coaches as Swiss knife because he was really adaptable, he was really versatile, and he was really very intelligent. उनकी as a play tactical knowledge was very great, and he was a leader of a men. And the coaches appreciated him for his absolute crazy work rate. And मैं हवा भाई ने versatile नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. In La Masia days, he used to play as a winger, a midfielder, a defensive midfielder, a wing back. He could be on the pitch every time. कोचेस का यूथ टूर्नामेंट्स में इन पे भरोसा नेक्स्ट लेवल था. भाई को कुछ भी हो जाए, कहीं भी आप खिला सकते थे, कुछ भी आपका शॉट हो जाए, he was always available for the club. He made his professional debut for Football de Club Barcelona in 2010 under Pep Guardiola. वो initial career days में he didn't had a quick breakthrough. He was like a backup midfielder, but when Luis Enrique came, his faith, his life changed. He was really trusted by Luis Enrique, especially after the departure of Dani Alves. The right back was gone. Sergi Roberto used to play at right back, and even when Rakitic was not available, even Xavi or Iniesta, he used to play at their position. He was really versatile. वो आपको कहीं भी मिल सकते थे, फुल बैक के रोल पे पासेस बनाते हुए आपको दिख सकते थे, मेसी को अटैकिंग में सपोर्ट करते हुए दिख सकते थे, वो आपको मेसी के लिए पासेस निकालते हुए देख सकते थे, वो लुइस सुआरेस के लिए भी पासेस निकाल सकते थे कभी भी, भले ही आपका राकिटिच, इनिएस्टा और जावी कोई भी अवेलेबल ना हो. ये इनकी क्वालिटी लुइस एनरिके ने फिगर आउट की, एंड ही वाज रियली क्रूशियल इन हिज स्क्वाड. एंड वो भाई सिर्फ बातों बातों के लिए एक ग्रेट प्लेयर नहीं, he is a legend for the club. He won 6 La Liga titles with our club and 7 Copa del Rey and 6 Super Copa de España. उसके साथ he also won one UCL, the 2015 one with FC Barcelona. And then Luis Enrique saw that he was versatile. He was not so flashy on the field, but he used to give you the quality and values. High work rate, high intelligence, short passing, ये सब क्वालिटीज इसको लुइस एनरिके ने नोटिस किया, एंड सर्जी रोबर्टो became one of the most crucial midfielders in his era. And after this all, the night came, the night of La Remontada. Barcelona was losing 4-0 in the first leg. इस टॉपिक के बारे में मैं ज्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि सब इसके बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. ज्यादा चांसेस है कि ये सब आप जानते होंगे इस ला रेमोंतादा की नाइट के बारे में, और ये एक सेपरेट टॉपिक है. ये टॉपिक पे ही मैं 7 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ. बार्सिलोना वाज डाउन 4-0 इन द फर्स्ट लेग. बार्सिलोना का कमबैक का चांस बहुत कम था. देन सर्जी रोबर्टो scored the sixth goal which made Barcelona win that semi-final against Paris Saint-Germain. वो गोल हिस्ट्री बुक में लिखा गया. उसके बाद सर्जी रोबर्टो का नाम was one of the irreplaceable names in the history of Barcelona. That finish, that IQ. Sergi Roberto served Barcelona from 2010 to 2024. He was the first choice captain of FC Barcelona in 2023 and 2024 season. When he left, Marc-Andre ter Stegen became the captain, and कहानी आप सब जानते हैं. He left for a very, 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 very logical project of Como. कोमो अपने आप में ही एक अलग टॉपिक है, मैं इस पे फिर से बात नहीं करना चाहूंगा. We recently faced Sergi Roberto. Fans gave him a standing ovation and he deserved it. He served our club. He was one of the most loyal players in the history of our club. He almost played 250 matches for Football Club Barcelona, scoring 12 goals and more than 30 assists. And he was one of the crucial roles in the midfield in 2015 UCL winning campaign. He played 17,000 minutes for Barcelona, and in 2014-15 UCL campaign, he played 700 minutes for Barcelona, making 11 appearances. Sergi Roberto left Barcelona in the season 24-25 and he was injured half of the season. Sergi Roberto was suffering from a calf injury and now he is playing under his ex-teammate Cesc Fabregas. As I told you, Como is a great project. Sergi Roberto उनके लिए एक लीडर, इंस्पिरेशन फॉर द यूथ, एक बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव और एक बहुत एल्डरली रोल में खेल रहे हैं सर्जी रोबर्टो फॉर कोमो. एंड जाते जाते मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा, ही वॉज अ प्योर क्यूलर, definition of a warrior, loyalty, passion, a captain. He gave everything for this club, and we all Culers respect him a lot. Thank you, Sergi Roberto, for being the unsung legend of our club. We will always love you. Peace out.